Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a peanut butter sandwich. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we are back and we're gonna celebrate Valentine's Day with a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. They're kissing each other. I hope you have a great day today and you enjoy with someone you love. Let's start here in the middle of the paper and we're gonna just do a sideways letter B. And then for the lips, we're gonna do two curves, 1 and 2. So now it looks like a sideways heart. The next thing we're gonna do is the body. So I'm gonna start from this side of the heart and we're gonna go around and then come back here, okay? Up to the left and we're gonna start curving and we're gonna stop right here. Okay, so it's a big curve that goes over and it passes a little bit this part of the heart. Then we're gonna continue doing kind of like down, another line, and then we're gonna curve back down here. Next we're gonna do the bottom and we're just gonna extend this line a little bit more to the right, and to finish we're gonna go up and around like this. Now I want to do this curve or this shape again, but I want to stop right here. So I want to start doing a curve that follows, leaving a space, and this one kind of have like the same shape, and when I start curving here I'm going to stop in this corner. Now let's do one more shape, and this time it's going to be kind of like the jelly or the peanut butter part. So we're going to go and start here from the top, and I'm going to start kind of like wiggling the line, trying to leave a space between the last one we did, and I want to connect right here. So I'm leaving a space right here, and this line can move differently. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. It's just to put the spread of the peanut butter or the jelly. Now we're gonna do the face of the sandwich, and this is the girl, so I'm gonna do an eye that is closed, so it's a curve, and we're gonna put some lashes. So I'm just gonna put some lines. And here we're gonna mark where the eyebrows is gonna be. So this is gonna be kind of like a big eyebrow. So we're gonna go around, come back, kind of like in a drop shape. Before we do hands and feet, let's do the other toes that is here. You guys can pick if you want this to be the peanut butter or this to be the jelly. For me, this is gonna be the jelly. So I'm gonna do the peanut butter one, okay? So I'm just gonna go around. This one is facing front, so I want to curve right here. Okay, this toes is sideways, this one is facing front. So now let's go down and curve, kind of like what we did here. And now we can connect with the other toes. So I'm just gonna go from the right to the left like that. Now we're gonna do two more lines like we did here. The first line is the line of the bread, so we're gonna try to follow the same shape we did, leaving a space in between lines like this. And when I get here to the bottom, we're gonna make this line move because the spread go over. So we're gonna go like this in the bottom. And we're gonna do one more line, and this line is gonna start from here and we're gonna make it move. So this is a part of the spread of the peanut butter. I'm gonna go around here and again get a little closer and connect here. Okay, now let's do the face of this toast. I want to start with the mouth. His mouth is open, so we're gonna do a curve, and then we're gonna do a letter U underneath, big one. And inside this letter U, we're gonna do the tongue. So we're gonna do kind of like a heart shape, like this. And then we're gonna put his eyes here with two curves, kind of like upside down letter U's. And now we're gonna do the eyebrows. So I wanna make it big like this one. So I'm just gonna go like this. And these ones, when we put the color, we're gonna leave it blank. Okay, so there are two big eyebrows. Now we can do the hands. So the hands are gonna be holding, okay? And we're gonna make it super simple. We're just gonna make lines across. So we're gonna do one line across here and one line across here, and I'm gonna leave a space in the middle. And for the hands, we're just gonna do a circle. Okay? Now for the feet, I wanna start with these toes. I'm gonna make a line, leave a space, and another line. And we're just gonna do kind of like a half a circle for the feet. Half a circle right here. And for this one, we're gonna do it like one of his legs is up. So the first leg we're gonna do is kind of like a V shape. And then we do that half a circle. And this one is a little diagonal as well. So we're gonna do a diagonal line. And then we do our half a circle. And to finish this picture, we're gonna put a couple hearts that are coming up here. You guys can put as much hearts as you want. I'm just gonna do 2 little hearts on top of here to finish my picture. And there, that's it. We finished this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. They're kissing each other. I hope you have a great day today. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. Here what I did is after these colors were dry, the colors of the bread, I went with a darker brown and I put some little dust just to give it some texture to the bread. And also when my colors of the jelly and peanut butter were dry, I went over one more time with the same color just to give this shade. These alcohol markers I'm using are very good for that. You can put shadows really easy or go over one more time and the color blends super good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.